Hi everyone. Now that you know about general variables, to tie this back again to really the gas topic, we need to talk about the gas variables. For us, there are four specific gas variables that you need to know about. We have pressure, temperature, volume, and also the number of gas particles. And they all play an important role to understanding how an ideal gas will behave. So before we even start talking about how this real gas behaves and also the math that's associated with it, you need to know the symbols and also the units. Now, pressure we started talking about early in the topic. The symbol for pressure is a capital P, and we already know there are four very specific units. We have kilopascals, we have ATMs, we have torr, and also millimeters of mercury. Now, from there, we also have our temperature, which happens to be the symbol of a capital T. And you should know, because ideal gases work in high temperatures, that this unit is going to only be Kelvin. So if you're given Celsius, you have to convert to Kelvin every single time. Now from there, we also talk about volume. Volume has a capital V as its symbol, and the units can be easily milliliters or also just liters. Finally, a new symbol, which we're going to see again in the next topic, is really the number of gas particles. Now be careful. This is always a lowercase n. And I write mine like a script n just so I know that it's lowercase, just in case you need to know that it's lowercase. And the unit is also new. The unit is known as a mole, and it's abbreviated, unfortunately, MOL. So we just get rid of the E. So we're going to learn about this type of variable in this lesson, and then we'll see it again over and over. The last thing I want to leave you with is where on the reference table you can find standard temperature and standard pressure. Now, we already talked about standard pressure, but you should know that just in case you forget it, there is a location on your reference table that gives it to you. If you look at the front cover, which happens to be page 1, on table A, it gives you the standard temperature and the standard pressure. Now, unfortunately for you, the standard pressure, they only give you two of the units. So these are the most common, 101.3 kilopascals, 1 atm. Perfectly fine. But you should remember in the back of your head that standard pressure could also mean 760 torr or 760 millimeters of mercury. Also given on table A is your standard temperature. Standard temperature is normally 273 Kelvin, which we'll be using in the gas topic here, but also is equivalent to 0 degrees Celsius, just in case you need to know that or just in case you see it and you easily know that that's standard temperature. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next lesson.